Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to add a custom car, like the Rolls Royce Phantom, to GTA 5. First, understand that this process involves modifying your game files, so backing them up is crucial. You'll need a few specific tools to get started, which we'll cover next. This guide aims to make the process straightforward and easy to follow for everyone. To begin, you'll need two main things: OpenRoman4 and the car mod file itself. OpenRoman4 is a powerful editor that lets you access and modify GTA 5's game archives. You can find it online easily. Next, locate your desired car mod, like the Rolls Royce Phantom, from a reputable modding website. These files usually come compressed. Once you have OpenRoman4 and your mod file, extract the mod's contents to a folder on your desktop. OpenRoman4 will then be used to navigate to the specific game directories where the car files need to be placed. It's vital to follow the instructions provided in the mod's README file, as each car mod can have slightly different installation steps. Pay close attention to detail. After placing all the files correctly, launch GTA 5 to see your new car. You might need a game trainer, like Simple Trainer, to easily spawn the vehicle in-game, or you may find a specific spawn code in the mod's instructions. Take your new Rolls Royce Phantom for a spin and enjoy the enhanced driving experience. Happy modding!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.